Students, in our last video, we have learned to convert a decimal number into binary number. We have learned that in computer we have 4 number system: decimal number system, binary number system, octal number system and hexadecimal number system, where we are doing the sums of binary and decimal conversion. First one we have seen how a decimal number, a number which is made up of 0 to 9, that is 10 digit. So here we have written as a base of 10 because it has 10 digits. It's a decimal number system. Now we are converting it to a binary language which has only 2 digits, 0 and 1. This we have already seen in our last video. Now we are going to do the sum in a reverse condition where we have the binary answer with us. Like for this I have for this sum it is 55. I got the answer as 110111. Now I am going to convert this number again and make it 55. So that is known as binary to decimal conversion. Yes children, here in the notebook you can see I have taken the same sum. So you can compare. Answer of 55 was 110111. Now this is 55. I know because I have done this sum. Okay, in my previous pages I have done this sum. So I know the answer is 55. But how to convert it and take it back to its same form, decimal form? So here first I will write down the digit in the same in the way I got the answer 110111. Then as you all know, place value also always starts from the last digit. Here also the position value of the digit has started from the last. But here the first position is given as 0. Then increasing in the order 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. We are increasing the position. Then you can see while conversion from decimal to binary we have seen division, and getting back the number we are now using multiplication with addition. So what we are doing, we are multiplying we have divided by 2, so here I am multiplying by 2 because I have to convert into a binary number. Here I am writing down my number in the same position from 11011 because it's from backward. I am writing it in a reverse way, 11011. Then I told you we are using multiplication, so it is multiply by 2 raised to at the position of 0, 2 at the position of 1, this one, then 2 at the position of 2, this one, 2 at the position of 3, 0 is 2 at the position of 3, again 1 is 2 at the position of 4, 2 at the position of 5. Then I am simplifying it. Any number raised to 0 is equal to 1. In maths you would have learned this concept. Any number raised to 0 is equal to 1. So 1 multiplied by 1. 2 raised to 1 it's 1. 2 raised to 2 matlab 2 at the base of 2. 2 multiplied by 2. So 2 at the power of 2. 2 multiplied by 2 it's 4. 2 with the power 3. 2 into 2 into 2, that is not 6, 2 3s are nahi, it's 2 into 2 into 2, that is 8. 2 at the power of 4, 4 times 2, 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. So 4 times 2 comes to 16. Then 2 raised to 5, it comes to 32. Then now I simply, this I have multiplied with this, 1, 2, 4, here it's 0, so get the answer as 0. Then 16, 32. And finally after multiplication I add all these values and I get the answer as 55. Now you can see the sum which we had solved. I am getting the answer back. I have converted that by decimal 55 to binary, and from that binary again I have converted to 55. So we can recheck our answer very easily because the same number we are converting from decimal to binary and binary to decimal. Now for the second sum also I have done in the same method, where you can see I have given the position, written down the number 6 1 then 0 and given the position Then as I told you, from the backward direction I write down the sum 0 and 5 6 ones. Then what I am doing that same thing which I have done here. 2 raised to 0, 2 raised to 1, I am giving the position of 2. I am calculating the values. I get the values like this. Only my first one is 0. So after multiplication I get 0. The remaining all I have done, 2 raised to 1, 2 raised to 2, 2 raised to 3, 2 raised to 4, 2 raised to 5 and 2 raised to 6. I get the answer. After adding this all, I get the answer as 126. Now here you can see the third sum in the same way. The third sum we had done for 44. The same sum I have done it here. I have written the sum, digit of the sum. Then in the backward position I have given the position. Same manner I have written down in the backward position, and I have done the multiplied with 2's power. Then here you get the answer as 44. Okay. Then here is a table of power 2. Is just for that it makes your sums easy. Anything raised to 0 is 1, but here I got 2 base as 2, and 2 raised to power 0 is equal to 1. 2 raised to power 1, 1, 2. 2 raised to 2, 4, 2 raised to 3, 8, and so on. 2 raised to 2 means 2 is 10. 2 is multiplied for 10 times. So I get the answer as 1024. 2 raised to 5 means 2 is multiplied by 5 times. So it's 32. We can see here 2 multiplied by 5 times as I'll show you. It can be written as 2 multiply by 2 multiply by 2 multiply by 2 multiply by 2. Here 32 1. So you can see here 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16, and 16 2s are, I get the answer 32. This is the form. Don't be confused. Don't multiply 5 to 2, then you will get the answer 10 and your whole answer would be wrong. So 2 raised to 5 means 5 times 2. So this I have done it and simplified it. So hope you all understand, and if you have any doubt, put me a message on my personal number.